Confidence isn't something you wait for. It is what you build by showing up scared. Imposter syndrome tells you that you're not qualified, you're not good enough, you should quit because you're not ready, but here is the truth. Most confident creators did not wait until they were confident. They got ready by learning how to act in alignment with confidence before they ever felt like they had it, and today I'm gonna help walk you through the same. This is your Intentional Action Wednesday video for this week, part 2 of our week 2 theme, Imposter Syndrome Isn't Truth. If you watched Monday's video, we planted better thoughts, and today we're gonna move with them, because when you act with courage, you become the version of you that once felt impossible. It just takes a little practice to get there. As always, timestamps are down below if you need them, plus more on the freebie, free printable for this week's theme at the end of this video. But as for right now, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you are super excited and ready for me to get into today's video. And let's just begin with steps to show up confidently. Section 1. Rewire the lie with action. First things first. Confidence isn't a feeling, it is a byproduct of evidence. And guess what? You can create that evidence every day through action. Imposter syndrome is just your brain repeating an old story, but stories can be rewritten. Let's channel that inner fraud today with proof that you do belong here. Here are 4 ways to show up confidently, even if you don't feel it yet. 1. Adopt a confident creator identity. Instead of asking, who am I to do this? Ask, who would I be if I showed up like I belonged? Try this exercise. Write down your confident creator identity, how they speak, how they post, how they follow through. Then act like that person for 10 minutes a day and your brain will catch up to your behaviors. 2. Post before you overthink. The longer you wait, the more your brain fills in the blanks with doubt. So set a timer, make the content, post it. Even if it's not perfect, think of it like a rep. Every post equals more rep in becoming your confident self. 3. Track your bravery, not just your results. Don't just look at the metrics. Track how many times you did the brave thing. Posted the video, sent the pitch, showed your face, told your story. Make bravery your new success metric. Reframe not enough with truth. The next time you hear that voice say, you're not enough, you're not ready, you don't know enough, you're not good enough to be seen, write it down and counter that thought. That's exactly what this printable for this week helps you do. So go ahead and download the free printable for this week, Rewire the Lie, if you have not yet, down below in the description box. Use it to write down your doubts and then rewrite them into truth. Turn your inner critic into inner coaching. Action step and closing. Here is your challenge for today. 1. Choose one action from this list that your future confident self would do. 2. Download the free printable and write down the lie that's been stopping you, then rewrite it. 3. Then post something. Anything. Just show up and let that be your new story. The Rewire the Lie mini workbook is linked below. Print it, use it, repeat it. You're not a fraud, you are becoming. That's not fake, that is growth. If any part of today's video hit home for you, please comment down below what lie you were letting go of today or which truth you are stepping into. And if you haven't already, then go ahead and watch Monday's video for mindset and come back for Friday for our affirmational reset with I am becoming who I once doubted I could be. Until then, don't overthink it. Take the action, track the win, and then repeat. But don't just listen to this video and forget everything that you learned 5 minutes later. Actually start building evidence for yourself that you are learning and becoming the newer version of yourself, the creator version of yourself with the leveled up mindset by downloading the homework down below. It is free, people. Rewire the Lie. I made it for you for the specific reason. It is the free printable for this week. If I haven't mentioned this already. If you're new here, we do a new freebie every week to go with a new theme for every week. It is linked below, and this week we are using it to rewire the false beliefs that are keeping you stuck and replacing them with truths that move you forward instead. If you made it this far in the video, then chances are that Be Who You Are is for you. So please consider subscribing. That's it for this video. I am Julie Ranosaurus from BeWhoYouAre.com, and until next time, here is to overcoming excuses and embracing the life you envision instead with intention and a strong mindset to help get you there. Here's the video that YouTube recommends you watch next, and as always, be who you are, be who you are. Don't just talk.